Look at your profile, the front view. Looks good. Yep. Yeah, and so this area is still swollen right here, obviously, but you can see right away how thin that's going to look. And this is swollen as well, and you can see right away how this is going to look. And looking at your profile, this right here comes together, okay? That's why we're still going to tape you, okay, because we want to continue for that to continue to come down. Yes, but that profile is just perfect. Yeah. You like it? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I mean, you're 1 week away and you look fantastic. Yeah. No, I mean, it, de tener grabación.